Are you wanting to know how to create an Instagram story? Well, in this video, I'm going to walk you through a very simple and easy way to create an Instagram story, as well as some powerful tips to make your Instagram story stand out and really look good. So keep watching. My name is Garrett Berry, and on this channel I teach entrepreneurs how to get more leads and sales using social media. So if you want more videos like that, be sure to smash the subscribe button down below and then click that bell notification so you never miss out on videos just like this. Okay, to create your first Instagram story, what you want to do is you want to just click at the top this plus sign, and it's going to open up into your stories. Now, as you can see, I'm on the screen right now, okay? So the very first thing you can actually post is a video of yourself, okay? If I hold that circle at the bottom and I hold down, it will start to record a video until I let my thumb off, and then that would be the video, okay? You can also go to Boomerang. Now, Boomerang is pretty cool. Basically, it does this feature, okay? So it will take a ton of pictures and it will actually start just looping, if you can see that, okay? Now I can go to, different hearts like that, different effects, okay, fire, right, different effects like that. I can click the switch camera button, and that's gonna actually show the other side. You can play videos in reverse. You can do hands-free, okay? So just scrolling through, a lot of people don't realize that they can actually just scroll through and do different options, right? Now, start live video. If I want to go live, okay, Instagram has Instagram Live. If I want to go live, I would just click that button, and then I would start broadcasting to all my followers. They would all start, they'd get a notification. Not every single one of them. The ones that are most engaging with you and you are with them, okay, you have a good relationship back and forth, those are the people that Instagram's going to share that broadcast to mostly, okay? But you can start to grow that with different strategies on this channel. But that would be start video, live video. And then right here, okay, at the bottom you can see type. I can actually type a specific message, okay? So let's say that I want to say, like a quote or a motivational thing right here. So I could say something like, okay, now what this will do is you can actually just post that, and that will stay live on your Instagram story for 24 hours. Okay, it's very similar to Snapchat. If you're on Snapchat and you know that, certain things go away after 24 hours, this is very similar. And then you can edit the type. I can edit the color by just clicking that circle, and then I can go ahead and post it, okay? So very powerful. Now, one more thing that a lot of people don't realize is you can actually put in a hashtag on your Instagram story, and this has a potential chance to show up for that hashtag, okay? So if I say, motivation, and that's the hashtag, and I post that, that will actually have an effect on where this story could potentially show. Well, I hope you enjoyed learning how to create an Instagram story. Whether you are brand new to Instagram or you just didn't know how to use the feature, I hope this really helped you, and now you can walk forward with confidence. Now, the next question you may be asking though is, how can I use these Instagram stories to generate leads and sales for a business? Well, if that's you, be sure to grab my free training series down below, revealing exactly how to generate over 50 leads a day on Instagram in 30 minutes or less. Anyway, my friend, that's the video. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to click the like button below, share it with your friends and any business partners, and be sure to subscribe. Last but not least, comment below, what do you want me to help you with next? I'm putting out these videos consistently, and I want to help you get to that next level. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.